In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the ElevenLabs API for text-to-speech in Python. Before diving into the technical aspects, it's important to understand the basic groundwork we need to cover. The first stage of this process involves obtaining your API key and voice ID, which is essential for making the magic happen in your Python application. Let's begin by creating an ElevenLabs account. If you're not familiar with ElevenLabs yet, don't worry, it's a pretty straightforward platform. Simply visit the ElevenLabs website. Once you're there, you'll need to sign up for an account if you haven't already. If you already have an account, just go ahead and log in. Your account will be the hub for generating and managing the resources you need for text-to-speech API integration. Once you're logged in, the next crucial step is generating an API key. This key acts like a secure password that grants your Python script access to ElevenLabs services. Head over to your profile settings or look for a section labeled API keys within your account dashboard. Here you'll have the option to generate a new API key. Be diligent in ensuring that the key you generate has text-to-speech access, as this is necessary for the function we want to achieve. After successfully creating your key, make sure to copy it somewhere safe. You'll need it very soon, and keeping it secure is important as it allows access to your API privileges. Next, let's discuss choosing a voice. ElevenLabs features a rich library of voices you can select from, each with its own unique characteristics. Spend some time exploring this library to find a voice that suits your project's needs. Once you stumble upon a voice you particularly like, add it to My Voices. It's not just about sound. Consider the tone and clarity that align most with the message you want to convey through your application. Once you've added a voice to My Voices, you'll need to acquire its voice ID. Just like the API key, the voice ID is essential. It tells the API which voice to use when processing your text-to-speech requests. Locate the voice you've selected in My Voices and copy its voice ID. There you have it, the initial setup for embarking on text-to-speech processing with the ElevenLabs API. With these two key components, the API key and voice ID, firmly in place, you'll be ready to start integrating this functionality using Python in the next stages. This step sets the stage, laying the groundwork for seamless API interaction. So take a moment to ensure you've completed these steps and secured your keys and IDs. In the next part of our series, we'll delve into writing the Python script that leverages the ElevenLabs API for dynamic text-to-speech capabilities. Stay tuned for more insights and step-by-step guidance on enhancing your projects with AI-powered voice synthesis.